Welcome back everyone, happy Saturday. So today we're taking a quick peek at the new streaming device from Walmart. This is the on Android TV UHD streaming device, and the way this is positioned, guys, as far as the price and what it offers, this is directly poised to compete with the Amazon Fire TV Stick. So this video we're going to go over the details, what we know. As you guys can see, it is out of stock, but I'll provide a link just for when it opens back up. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alright, so like I said, this is on the Walmart's official website. I'll be leaving a link below. Keep in mind, currently it's out of stock. You can see the price there. It is $29.88. So under $40. We know that the Amazon Fire TV Stick, depending which version you get, normally ranges from $29 all the way to about $49 or $50, depending if you catch it on a sale. But this one, a lot of cool things about this that makes it a little bit different, maybe even a little bit better than the Fire Stick. So we're going to jump into that. Like I said, drop your thoughts in the comments. Let me know what you think of this device. Let me know what you think of the price point. So at first look, the device looks pretty small, and I'll show you side by side how it fits next to the remote. It is a pretty tiny device. One side we're going to have the HDMI port. It does support 4K. On the front we're going to have a button, and this could be a reset button or something like that. And the front we also have an LED light. On the other side we do have the micro USB port for your power as well. And my guess is that you should be able to use an OTG adapter to kind of do some of the things we've been able to do with the Fire Stick. All right, so here's a look at the device. The remote itself is exactly the size of the Amazon Fire TV Stick remote, but just take a look at the side by side. This is what it looks like next to the device, so you can kind of take a guess of how large this is going to be. So one thing that I can see from the layout of this device already is that it's like the NVIDIA Shield 2019, in which we have ports and cables coming out of both sides. So this is, in my opinion, meant to be hidden behind a television, because if you have a wire coming out the side, another one come out the side, there's no good way to really place that to be viewed, in my opinion. So this is a small enough device. Just tuck it behind your TV and you should be good. And here's a look of everything that we get in the package. So HDMI cable, we get the on streaming device itself, power adapter, and notice that this does not come with a detachable USB-A, so it is going to be directly connected to that brick, but you should be able to just use a regular micro USB. The remote is kind of interesting, so let's take a closer look at the remote. So power button, look like we have the microphone input, maybe we have the input button. Not sure what this is yet. A flag, it could be a menu, but who knows at this point. Do have your Google voice assistants, your settings, it look like your navigation. Back home, you have a TV button which resembles the guide button that we see on the actual Fire Stick, so that's interesting to see what functions that will control. You also have the volume up and down, channel up and down, dedicated YouTube, dedicated Netflix, dedicated Disney Plus, as well as a dedicated HBO Max button. So nice little device. The price point is right, but what do we know as far as the specifications? So about this item, it says streaming away. Now you can enjoy your favorite digital channels through your UHD streaming device with 4K ultra high definition resolution and Dolby audio support. So it says Dolby audio support, so I'm taking that it does not support Dolby Atmos. You'll feel like you're a part of the action. Access over 700,000 movie shows in one place. Google control your device with your voice and easily cast your photos, videos, music with Chromecast built in. Now you just have to decide what you'll want to watch first. So hyping it up a little bit. As far as some of the specs that they put out there, you can see it is 4K resolution, easy setup. It should be plug and play. Plugs into your TV HDMI port, Android TV, which I think is a big point, which might be the ultimate deciding factor between getting this and the Fire Stick for some people. I know personally I prefer the Android TV interface. Even with the new Fire Stick update, I still do prefer Android TV. Dolby audio, 4K ultra definition, Wi-Fi 2.4 as well as 5 gigahertz, and it shows you that it supports ABGN and AC, and it does have MIMO technology. It tells you the input and the output right there, so that should be pretty standard for the micro USB. What's in the box? We already showed what we got in the box, guys. HDMI, you get a remote control, batteries are included. Guessing it probably takes 2 AA batteries. HDMI 3.28 foot long, AC adapter gives you the size of that as well. The color category says black, but it's just kind of weird that The remote is white, but everything else is black. Hopefully once it becomes readily available, we'll have option to choose at least from 2 colors. And that's basically all we know about this device for now. Should be becoming available soon. So like I said, I'll provide that link, and I'll see if I can get one to review for you, where we can do some benchmarking, do some other things just to see where it actually stacks up. So I like the remote, but the remote isn't unique, guys. This is a standard remote that you're probably going to see a lot more of in 2021. Just look at the Mi Cool box right here. It's the exact same remote as you can see. So that remote is going to be pretty standard. The device is going to be Android TV, and just looking at the Mi Cool as comparison, you can see the Mi Cool is $90, whereas the On is only $30. So that's going to be the difference between getting this one and getting another Android TV device. So pros and cons, I like the price point. I do love the remote. I do think it's a standard remote, but it is very functional. I love the fact that it does have 4K support. Hopefully we'll be able to use the OTG to do different things on this. As far as some of the cons, the design of the box itself, they should have at least put the ports in the back, in my opinion. They also should have tried to add 1 USB port, which I think would make up a lot of people's mind, just to help them decide to get this as well. As far as comparing this to the Firestick, can't do that as of yet, but I love the fact that it does have Android TV, which I do prefer over the Firestick. So that's something I'll probably do a side-by-side comparison when I get it. So let me know what you guys think of Walmart's in-house Android TV device. This is the own Android TV UHD streaming device. Hopefully it will be available soon, and I will be grabbing one of them to review for the channel. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.